Today I'm going to share something ideas on the topic alphabet. In the previous lecture, I delivered what is grammar, what is syntax, what is morphology. But today we have the third lecture, that is the alphabet. Actually, alphabet, if you see the alphabet's etymology, you will see this word has been taken from three different language. Means two languages, just two languages. Mean first one is Latin, which is alphabetum. Alphabetum. Second one is Greek. It is the alphabetos. Alphabetos. Now, alpha beta is the combination of the two words of Greek words alpha and the beta. So alpha is the first letter of Greek alphabet, while beta is the second word of the Greek alphabet. Now you will see, so alpha plus beta, you will see alphabet. This is the old English spelling, and this one is the modern English. Now, what is alphabet? Because we are studying English language, in this language you will see that it is a set of letters. Means alphabet is a set of letter or symbols in a fixed order used for writing a language. Means alphabet is the set of signs and symbols that is used for writing any language. So in English alphabet there are 26 letters. 26 letters. And 26 letters, you will see it's a sequence A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So X, Y, Z, you will see the total number is 26 letters. Means English language consists on 26 letters. And you will see here A, B, C. So this is letter, but if you pronounce the sound, this will be b, and like k, and we have z. So this is it's a sound. It's a sound in English, and in English language, these letters are found in different way. Because first you will see here. First one is suppose we have a V, means this is V, means V, you will see the symbol in here. V means for victory, but here V plus V, you will see double V. Double V means double V means W or W. So this letter has two sounds. First one is W, while other one is W. This is in Sindhi language W, and this is W. W and W means combination of two V's. And other letter is we have Z, and it has also three sounds: Z, Z, is it. So Z in Sindhi we have Z, and we have Z, and we have is it. So Z means these are the sounds which are pronounced by the different English speakers. So suppose here we have W, it is pronounced by most of this American, sorry, this is a British England. This is a British English. This is British English, and this is pronounced in some states of America. Some states of America, this is American English, and Z, it's also British English. This is the British English, and Z is American English. And last one we have is it. Means this is we can say Scottish English. This is Scottish English because you know that English is spoken in the UK, but in the UK you will see we have England, we have Scotland, we have Wales. So these are the countries they are speaking different varieties of English. So some English people like Scottish they pronounce is it. So language in language alphabet played dynamic role. Without alphabet we cannot write any language. So it's play key role. And this is my lecture on alphabet. And I tell you that every language has its own alphabet. Correct? So in English you will see 26 letters. In Sindhi you will see 52 letters. In Urdu, Arabic, Chinese, Persian, so on. So you will see the different letters. But I say you one thing. It is that without language we cannot share our ideas in a written way because with the help of language we can share ideas. We cannot write ideas in a tongue or something else. So this is the key things. So today is my lecture, and if you are new in our channel ICC Hingorjam, subscribe it, like and share. And if you have any question or any problem, you just comment. Inshallah, I will try to make or the answer you online, or you can also follow our Facebook page or something else. You will see the posters, but the main thing is the YouTube channel. Follow and subscribe, so you will see. So this is my lecture. Until that time, next lecture. Till that time, next lecture. Bye bye.